Okay, so my daughter had this VTech DX watch for one day. It came charged. It's fully charged. She played with it. She recorded music on it. She took a bunch of pictures on it. It was awesome. We plugged it in at night to charge it up. See, it says it's fully charged. But the screen's not reacting. It's not connecting to my computer. And it's not, when you press the home button, it's not going home. It just keeps saying it's connecting and it's fully charged. Okay, so you unhook it, press the home button, still not working. Not working. I've tried turning this off for 30 seconds, turning it back on like it says to. Still didn't work. I called VTech. They said the only thing you can do is turn it off for 30 seconds, turn it back on, and press the button. If that doesn't work, they call it inoperable product. And because it's the original DX, they are not offering any tech support or replacement on these. I have to go buy the DX2 or the DX3. My daughter is so upset, you guys. She took a whole bunch of really fun pictures with this. She played with it. She loved it. It was great yesterday. Let it charge, and now it will not respond at all. Do you guys have any ideas on what I can do? I have taken the back off. The battery is hardwired in. The connections all seem okay. What's really throwing me is the fact that I can plug it in. Hold on. And this will work. But then I push the home button and nothing happens. And literally last night, it was working perfectly. So I welcome any ideas on what we can do to fix this. I really can't afford to go out and buy her another one. And quite honestly, since VTech doesn't really back up their products, I really don't want to buy her another one. Well, let me know what you think, or if you have any ideas to help, please.